Welcome to the another episode of Vedic Mathematics. In this video, we are going to find the cube of a number within a few seconds. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and just press the bell button for notifications. Okay, we are going to start the session. First question, 13 cube. We can find the cube of 13. What do you mean by 13 cube? 13 into 13 into 13. Okay, let's pass on to the answer section. The first step is we have to find a common ratio. So in the first line, we are writing a certain type of pattern. For writing that pattern, we need the common ratio. How can you find the common ratio? It is very easy to find the common ratio. Divide the second number by the first number. That is 3 divided by 1. That is 3 is the common ratio. Now the first step. This is 1. So we are going to write the cube of 1. What is the cube of 1? 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. That is the first step. Now the second number we can write by multiplying this number 1 with the common ratio. So 1 into 3, that is 3. Again we are going to multiply this number 3 with the common ratio 3. That is 3 into 3, that is 9. Again multiply this number 9 with 3. 9 into 3, it is 27. So our first step is over. Now the second step is we are going to write the double of this 3, the middle number 3. What is the double of 3? The double of 3 is 6. You just write the double of 3 just below 3. Now again the double of 9, that is 18, just write 18 just below 9. Now we are going to add these two rows. Okay, the first is 27. We are adding, just write 7 and put aside 2 as the remainder. 27, 7, 2 as the remainder. Now add these two with this remainder. Okay, then 18 plus 2, that is 20. 20 plus 9, that is 29. Again the remainder is 2 itself. Now adding these two, 6 plus 3, 9, plus this remainder 11, we are putting 1 over here and again the remainder is 1. Now adding this remainder 1 to this 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now our answer is 13 cube is equal to 2197. Question number 2. 22 cube. As before, we are going to find the common ratio. Second number divided by the first number, that is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Now first step, what is the number in the tens place? It is 2. So you just write the cube of that number. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now what is the common ratio? 1. So multiply this number with the common ratio successively. So first one, 8 into 1, that is nothing but 8. Again 8 into 1, that is 8. Again 8 into 1, 8. Since the common ratio is 1, so this sequence is 8, 8, 8, 8. Now the second stage, we just write the double of 8 just below 8, that is 16. Again the double of 8 just below 8, it is also 16. Now add these two rows. First is 8, that is no remainder, that is 0. Now 16 plus 8, it is 24. The remainder is 2. Again 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, then 26. The remainder is 2 again. 8 plus 2, 10. So our answer 22 cube is 10,648. Question number 3. 24 cube. Common ratio is second divided by first, that is 4 divided by 2, 2. Then the cube of 2 is nothing but 8. So we have to multiply 8 with 2 successively. That is 8 into 2. Our answer is 16. Again this 16 into 2. 32. Again 32 into 2. That is 64. Now the next stage is write the double of 16, that is 32. Write the double of 32, that is 64, just below 16 and 32 respectively. Now the sum will be 64. The sum is 4 here. We are putting aside the remainder as 6. Now 64 plus 6, 70. 70 plus 32, 102. So we are putting 2 over here and the remainder is 10. Now adding these two, 32 plus 16 is 48. 48 plus 10 is 58. We are writing 8 over here and setting the remainder as 5. Again this 8 plus the remainder 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13. So our answer is 24 cube is equal to 13,824. Now question number 4, 41 cube. The common ratio is second divided by first 1 by 4. There is a slight difference in this question, that is the common ratio is a fraction. In the earlier questions the common ratio is just a natural number, but here the common ratio is perfectly a fraction. So how can we solve this question? Let's write the cube of 4 at first. The cube of 4 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Again we have to multiply this 64 successively with the 1 by 4. So suppose we are going to multiply with the 1 by 4, that means we are going to divide with 4. So both are same. Multiplying with the 1 by 4 is same as dividing with the 4. So what is 64 into 1 by 6? 1 by 4, that is the 1/4 of 64. It is 16. Again the 1/4 of 16. It is 4. Again the 1/4 of 4, it is 1. That is multiplying by 1 by 4 means dividing by 4. 64 by 4 16, 16 by 4 4, 4 by 4 1. Now the next step, write the double of 16 just below 16, that is 32. Now the double of 4 is 8. Here the double of 4. The double of 4 is 8. So just write here. Now adding 1, there is no remainder. Now 8 plus 4, 12. The remainder is 1. 32 plus 16, that is 48. Then plus 1, that is 49. And the remainder is 4. 64 plus 4, it is 68. So our answer 41 cube is 68,921. Question number 5, 25 cube. Answer. Common ratio is 5 by 2. Multiplying by 5 by 2 means dividing by 2, then multiplying by 5. That is the meaning. If we are multiplying a number with 5 by 2, that means just divide by 2, then multiply by 5. That is the meaning of the multiplication with the 5 by 2. As usual, the cube of the first number 2 is 8. Then multiply this 8 with the 5 by 2. What is 8 into 5 by 2? You just divide 8 by 2, that is 4. 4 into 5, 20. Again this 20 into 5 by 2. You just 20 by 2, that is 10. 10 into 5, 50. Again 50 into 5 by 2. That is just divide this 50 by 2, that is 25. 25 into 5, that is 125. Now what is the double of 20? It is 40. Double of 50, it is 100. You just add these two rows. Now just add these two rows. The first column is 125, sum is 5 and the remainder is 12. Now adding these two, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 12, 162, the remainder is 16. Now adding these two, 40 plus 20, that is 60, plus 16, 76, the remainder is 7. Now adding this 8 with 7, 8 plus 7, it is 15. So what is our answer? 25 cube is equal to 15,625. So this is an easy method to find the cube of a 2-digit number. If you practice, you can very well do it within a fraction of seconds. Okay, now there are problems. You just solve this. The questions are: first question 36 cube, second question 26 cube, and third question 32 cube, fourth question 12 cube, fifth question 17 cube, sixth question 31 cube. You just solve this and check whether the answer is true or false. If your answer is false, try again and again to get the correct answer. Now here is the answer. You just check your answer is true or not. The answers are: first one 46,656, second 17,576, third one 32,768, fourth one is 1,728, fifth one is 4,913, sixth one 29,791. Thank you very much.